Well, I'm here visiting my old girl. It's been a while. I wish I could take care of her more. Maybe once my YouTube takes off, I'll start doing that. I'll start bringing these back from the dead. And you get to see all the process it takes to do this. I got everything for her to run. It's just being able to get to that point of being able to get her to run. Yeah. Anywho. She's 98 years old. I didn't get to finish her before I got chucked out of here. With barely any time to get my stuff together. But, yeah. Now she just sits and waits. Hopefully soon. What are you guys doing? Ugh. And that's why I need to get the glass so they don't start peeing all over my stuff. Ugh. Anywho, yeah. She's more complete than Calamity and Clementine. Yeah. Hopefully one day I'll be able to get her fixed. Till then, I have no donations, barely any money, so it's gonna be a while.